Hello friends, to solve this mathematical expression we follow the V-Bodmas rule which defines the order of operation. Now we'll define it by the step-by-step solution. First, Vinny-Coulomb part, which is 15 minus 3 Vinny-Coulomb. So the first priority is the horizontal bar over the numbers known as the Vinny-Coulomb, and we must solve the operation under the bar first. So after the subtracting we'll get 12 and expression becomes 12 divided by 4 plus 5 and then multiply by 2. We have already solved bar. Many of people forget the Vinny-Coulomb. Always treat the numbers under the bar as if they are inside a bracket. They must be resolved before anything else in the equation. Now the second step is division. Next we look for a division. Since there are no brackets in this expression, so we proceed to divide. So divide 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Now the expression becomes plus 5 multiplied by 2. This expression, if you encounter two operations of the same priority like division and multiplication, so it is often safer to work from left to right to avoid the confusion. But here is a plus and multiplication. So first we multiply. Now we perform the multiplication before addition. So here is 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. And now expression becomes is 3 plus 10. Always rewrite the entire expression after every single operation. Skipping steps or trying to do two things at once is where most calculation error happens. Now finally we add the remaining numbers. So 3 plus 10 equals to 13 and the value of the expression is 13. Now the value of the expression is 13 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.